Making a YouTube video out here and it's blowing 40 miles an hour and very excited. We're working on the philosophy for the no watering, no weeding, no pesticides, no herbicides, fully sustainable gardening with a master gardener, 33 years. His name is True North. And True has adopted me and offered to help grow a sustainable vegetable garden and build it. He's done it for 33 years. So we got to visit True yesterday out at Hatcher Pass, Alaska. Took a tour of the garden and it looks like ground zero in Alaska. Still snow on the beds, the raised flower beds. But it was interesting. We got to listen to True as he sat around the wood stove, drinking a cold beer and talking about the importance of gardening and sustainable lifestyle.
Independence. A lot of people trying to do it through food, trying to do it, with chickens and gardens, and some people are dying with heat sources. Some people are hunting a lot more of their food, but whatever's going on out there, people are wanting clean food and clean water. Don't try this at home. I'm a trained professional. Go. Jet rocket.
Here, no weeding, no watering. Is that really true?
Really is true. And it's just common practices that people have used really through millennia to feed themselves. It's the modern day agricultural model. I question whether that's really sustainable, and so do a lot of other people. Really, it's just the quality of the food. We went in 35 year period. We had the cheapest, most nutrient dense food on the planet, where today we have some of the most nutrient void food being sold anywhere on the planet. Quality of our food has really gone out. It looks great on the shelf a lot longer. Looks big and plump, but when you really look at the nutritive value of it, it's just not what it was in years past by any stretch.
Compared to what a person can grow in their own raised bed, their own gardens.
Not even a contest. Not even a contest. The quality of food, you'll be satiated quicker. You don't have to eat as much because the food's just more nutrient dense. And you combine it with quality proteins, whether it's, salmon, wild game, beans, whatever it might be. That's just the key to, good healthy eating. Clean food, the clean food movement, the local food movement, organic, non-GMO. Everybody's getting involved in this now. Everybody knows it's real and it's important. Get that down. Got a good little fire going up. It's an extra special bitter. But you can make an IPA in a third of the time it'll take you to make this.
I think I'm heading there on the way home.
Yes, but he used to just call it bitter earth. Bitter earth. But people were like freaked out by that, thinking, it's going to be bitter. Well, they don't really understand what an extra special bitter is,
Right.
It's hey, really appreciate you coming out and listen to me. And if you like the video, like it, subscribe to it. Or what's the other two things, Ty? Comment.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
And whether you're an experienced gardener or whether this is your first time to garden, I think you'll probably learn something from me. For you newbies, I'm going to show you how to grow enough food that you could freeze it, can it, and feed your family this winter with it. I don't care how small your garden is. Everybody can commit to growing some of their food, even if you live in an apartment.
Hey, True, thank you for sharing all the gardening insights and willingness to help and pay it forward with me. That's why we're doing this channel, so we can pay it forward and inspire others and share some of what Alaska has to offer. All right. Thank you. Like, comment, share, subscribe.